John Wick followed the host. That sounds spicy. Yeah, that checks. I am 43. Thank you, Chris. I'm on Long Island in New York. 36. That's not bad. Gets better at 40 though. Everybody's always terrified to hit 40. 40's been the best time of my life. Still love me like that. I'm not coming to Brooklyn. Still love me like that. I put like my leftovers in this bag in the fridge, and look, the whole thing freaking leaked. Actually, I didn't do it. My kid did it, so that kind of explains a little bit more, I guess. So much great thing about mother-in-law cottages. Italian. So it's made for little old ladies. So I'm only 5'4", 5'5" on a good day, I guess. I'm only 5'4", but in my kitchen I look enormous. There are plenty of spaces to find me outside of TikTok, guys. And all of those are listed in my bio here. Anybody who says, oh, I can't find it, is usually looking, oh, that would have been so bad, is usually looking for like the one-on-one chat off of the links. And I don't have the energy for that. Oh, shit. People get mad because I don't reply to all the messages, but like, I'll leave here and I'll have 150 messages from the live, and then I'll have another 25 in my main, because this isn't my main account, this is just where I go live, and then I'll have 35 on Twitter, and then I'll have 46 on Clap. Like, I just, the only ones I really respond to are the ones that make it to the bakery. Hello, hello. Honestly, it's the whole meal, but if you want to have whipped cream afterwards, that's fine, but this is the whole meal. I can't talk about it here. Everything you're looking for is in my bio, guys. Lupo, if you want something else, you can certainly go somewhere else. I am here and bound by TikTok regulations, so I'm not going to get banned because you, who has not gifted anything, would like for me to do something different. Imagine. Hawk, you're officially blocked. I have muted you every single time, hoping you would get the fucking point. Now you're blocked. It includes boobs. It includes a booty. 43. I'm single. I don't have a boyfriend or a husband. I tried having a husband. He told me I was fat. And that was 80 pounds ago. Got rid of him real quick. Thank you. You guys, isn't it funny how much hate I get? It really is so funny. I love dinosaurs. Usually my moo-moo has dinosaurs on it. No, you're not. Hello, hello. I am nice. But also, because I'm nice, a lot of people think that they can be, like, they can be jerks about it, which is fine. Like, I'll take it. And I would rather they stay here and be douchebags. So we've got the flying handbag. Let's look at your profile picture. Oh, that's a white woman. Nobody's surprised by that. But you guys are still here, so you must just enjoy hating on people, which is awesome. I'd rather you be here than hurting somebody's actual feelings. What a pick-me situation. That's hilarious. Hello, villain. We don't do requests unless there is a gift given, guys. Thank you. Hello, Gambit. Good to see you. But you're still here, the fly in the handbag. Is that... Do you not have anything else to do with your night? You can hang out. I don't care. I'm usually a pretty good time. Thank you. Thank you. Honestly, I'm just here because the world is on fire, and sometimes people just need a little bit of joy. And if that means they can talk shit, then they can talk shit. And if that means that they need to be rude to a stranger in order to fulfill their heart's desire, then you could do that too. If that means that you are looking for where to find gloriously displayed cakes, that you find in my bio. Honestly, like, we're just here to have fun. I just hang out. I clean my kitchen. I'm a little spicy brained. So it definitely helps me clean my kitchen and do what I need to do when I have people here. I think there's a name for it. It's called not object permanence, but where you have somebody sit with you so that you can get things done, and that's kind of what I do here. Thank you. What is that called? It's not object permanence. It's Thank you, TJ. Thank you. This is probably my favorite new moo-moo. I am in my 40s though, so it's not gonna last very long. I am already like sweating, but I have to do my laundry, and my good moo-moos were at the bottom of my laundry pile, so this is just what we got. Guys, don't forget, if you're looking for the things that TikTok does not allow, you can go to my bio. You know what, Jim? Thank you for calling me younger woman. Thank you, Chris. Chris, do you follow my main? You don't follow my main. You have a crush on me here. Wait till you see my main page. This is my main page, guys. If you're following me here, this is just where I go live. This is my main page. That's where you find most of my content. If you would just like for me to be quiet and shake my booty, you might want to stay here because I am very opinionated. I am loud about people and their rights and how they should have them. So stay here if you don't like personality. What are you guys doing tonight? What is it, Monday? Did you guys have a good Monday? Did everybody get everything they needed to have done? Follow that pinned comment before it disappears, guys. Follow me there. Ooh, I did a mile instead of half a mile walking backwards on the treadmill today, and my thighs are hurting. Oh, I'm not teasing. There's a place where you can see it. I just can't show you here. Guys, my thigh is... You can't see it, but my thigh is like... I don't do requests unless there's gifts presented, guys. Thank you, Cristiano. I don't take requests unless there's gift presented. Thank you, Ricardo188. I didn't even... Oh, man. Usually that's for a corgi, but I'm about to get off, so I figure I'll give you guys one last solid stretch. Oof. I'm on Long Island in New York. Alright, I'm gonna head to do my laundry if we're gonna be so for real. Not excited about it. Oh, you snuck it in there. That's why I like the corgi, because look, we're the same. Oh, Mikey, I'm too old and fat to be pregnant. I'm just chubby. I'm just a chubby girl. I'm just a chubby girl. This is actually probably, even though it's like relatively firm, this is probably the bounciest part of me. Well, besides these. Alright, I'm gonna go because you guys are getting spicy in the comments and I'm gonna get live restricted. But I will be, thank you, RD. I will be live tomorrow. I'll see you then. Alright, bye.